Hi, and welcome to the Heart of the Home. I'm Chef John Maxwell, and we're here at Meadow Hall in Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia, where every week we get a chance to play with great Virginia food. This is a Southern food by ingredients and attitude, but it was actually developed in Pennsylvania as part of a centennial celebration for the 100-year anniversary of the founding of our country. All right, so this is a good celebratory pie, and it is just as sweet as it can be. It's called Shoo-fly Pie. And it's called Shoo-fly Pie because it's so sweet it'll attract flies even in the winter, and you gotta shoo them away. It's really a good pie. All right, so I've got some water boiling over here, right? And I've got some molasses in my pan here. Right? I've got some eggs here, some baking soda, and it's a very simple mix. So I'm going to add the boiling water first. Right. And I'll have the recipe online, so you won't have to write down all of these quantities. But it was 2 cups of molasses and enough water to thin it. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs beaten. All right. Sometimes the hot water will cause eggs to curdle, but which is why you want to beat them ahead of time. You want to get them in there and get them mixed in to the hot water quickly. Right. Now we've got the eggs. I'm going to add a little bit of baking soda. All right. This will cause it to rise. It'll react with some of the things that are in there. The sugar is an acid, so the baking soda will react with that. All right. Now I've got a pie crust over here, all right, that we made earlier, and I'm going to add the pie filling. I have a crumb topping I have to put on. This is just flour, butter, sugar, cinnamon, it's mixed together. All right. And I'm going to sprinkle it across the top. All right. And now that's going to go into the oven. All right, so I've got a bowl, and I've had the bowl in the refrigerator chilling down, because when you whip cream, you want to make sure that everything that you deal with is very, very cold. That keeps the butter fat that's in the cream from becoming too soft. All right, so we've got some cream that's going to go down in here. All right. All right. And some sugar. And I'm going to add just a little bit of some wonderful Virginia apple cider. I'm going to add some more of that in a little bit, but I want to get it started first. Now you can, of course, if you want to, spend all those pennies per kilowatt hour and use an electric mixer. This doesn't take all that long to do. All right, this is about where we want it to be. It's holding its shape. All right. I'm going to prepare my pastry bag. I need to cut the tip so it'll fit my tip. See if I guessed right there. Yeah, all right. I want to make sure that I got enough of the tip outside of the bag so that we don't wind up interfering with the decoration. Right. I'm going to fill the pastry bag with whipped cream. Get that. I got that in there. Now I'm going to set this down here and get that pie. All right. Pie was in the oven 40 minutes or so. Came out, we cooled it down so that let it set up. All right, and I've got 2 pieces here on the plate, and I'm going to top those with the cream. And there we go. It's shoo-fly pie. Shoo-fly. Don't take any. I want it all. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.